Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here for yet another Thrunite video. Now, I've done a lot of these over the couple years I've been with them. This is no different. This is a very good one. Now, here is a good idea. If you guys are really thinking, I need to get my man or my woman something, and I really don't know what to get them one of these. You don't have to get this particular one, but if they're like me or like anybody else, and it seems like in the world, they got a flashlight fetish. I have a flashlight fetish, and that's why I keep doing these videos. Not because I have to, because I'm not getting paid for any of these. Nothing. These are only my individual reviews, and I really think that this flashlight, this brand, is so good. If you compare this to any other light, Olight. Don't even bring me up on Nitecore because I hate that company. But Nitecore, I mean, they're still a quality light. They just did me wrong. Phoenix, Streamlight, if you look at any of those, this brand, Thrunite, is literally right there with them. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to do any of this. This is all of my own personal reviews on these. But I will tell you that Thrunite, in my opinion, is top notch. The batteries have never failed me. The lights have never failed me. The crisp beam, high quality. Now, let me tell you, when I open this up, and this is not for you, because Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Please to put a penny in an old man's hat. Now, if you decide, I need to get him a flashlight, I will leave links down below to this one. But I also leave a playlist down below to all the Thrunite videos I've done, because this one may not be the one for you. This one, to me, along with all the other ones that look very similar to this, is the ones that I like to carry the most. Now, I do carry a smaller Thrunite because I have a side pouch from Tailor Knives, and I've done a review on that. These will not fit in there. You can get them to fit in there. These are more for front pocket carry, purse carry, EDC bag carry, whatever, car, but front pocket. This is a good front pocket light. Now, let's go ahead and open this, get started on this video. I'll tell you all the specs on it. Obviously, we're going to do the night test like we always do because that's very important. So let's open it up. This particular light is the TN12 V6. And this is the cool white. Look how cool this is, because it is pretty amazing light. I mean, it is a high quality light. Everything about this screams quality. Now, I'm going to show you how it runs through the modes real quick in here. I'm going to do like I always do, turn the lights off in my classroom here, shine down here so you can see, and then we'll take it outside for the night test. But I do want to tell you before we get started, this is a pretty amazing. Now, let's go ahead and just open it up and show you the battery. Now, you do get a 3400 milliamp hour 18650 battery. Never had I had any issues with any of these lights. Ever. The one thing that I wish Thrunite would do, and I think, well, I know Olight has because I have an Olight, where you can magnetically charge it, that would be amazing. But they're not skimping out on any quality, guys. This thing is amazing. Now, to turn it on, you have to use a tail cap. So you turn it on, and that brings you right to Firefly. I'm not going to try to blind the camera, but I'll ramp up once, twice, 3, and then turbo. And you can see. And then if you turn it back down, and you hold the button in, it's strobe. Now, let's say you like it on this mode right here. You hit the tail cap, boop. All right, turn it back on, boop. It remembers it. So whatever you leave it on and turn it off with the tail cap, that is where it stays. I have never had any issues with buttons going bad from click, 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 and I do like this one particular, of course, all the Thrunites, but I like how the button is recessed. You have a little bit of gap of metal right here where you put your lanyard, which I don't like. So you won't accidentally push it while it's in your pocket. And it's almost, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but you really got to push down hard to actually turn it on and leave it on in your pocket. That's a pretty good feature. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the light output on these, and then we'll talk about what's inside the box. So you have 19 950 lumens, 1,950 lumens for 60 seconds, 680 lumens for 155 minutes. On high, you have 600 lumens for 3 hours and 40 minutes. Medium, 125 lumens for 13 and a half hours. Low, you have 25 lumens for 45 hours. Firefly for 0.5 lumens for 41 days. And then strobe doesn't tell you. But anyway, I told you all the features here. There's really no lockout feature because you have to push the tail cap. Now, inside the box, of course, you get the lanyard, which I'm never a fan of, and you get extra gaskets. I always mention about extra gaskets. I've never, ever broke one on any of these lights. Just hadn't. Comes with the charger, comes with the pocket clip. Now, I have not carried this in my pocket, but I will tell you, this is a very robust pocket clip. And this is the way that I would do it if I was going to carry it. So it's bezel down in your pocket. That's the way I like to carry mine, obviously. So you get the case, which I'm not a huge fan of. I mentioned it in all of them. But you can put it in there. Keeps it nice and tidy. You can put it on your bag, or you can hook it to your bag. So either way, very, very high quality light. And that's about all you get in the box here. Oh yeah, of course, you know, we always got to mention they do not eat silica gel packet. Do not eat that. It's not there for like a candy mint on your pillow while you're going to the most expensive hotel. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this out. And after we do it in here, I will come back tonight to an outside somewhere, and I will do the video and show you guys the brightness of this outside. We're going to go into my classroom where it's completely dark, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, welcome to my classroom. Where my camera is sitting to the end of that door over there is 31 feet. Exactly. I measured it off with a tape measure. It is 31 feet. So I will turn the lights out. We will start with the Firefly mode and ramp up. So keep in mind, this is what it looks like now. We're going to go ahead and show you what the Firefly mode looks like. 31 feet, as you can see. That is Firefly mode. There's the door. All right, let's ramp it up to low. This is low, 31 feet to the door. Medium. High. Look at the swath. The flood part of the beam is amazing. And here is turbo. Pretty amazing. I mean, if you can't look in there and see what you need to see, then this light is not for you. This is amazing. All right, and we're back to the Firefly mode. All right, and strobe. All I had to do was literally hold the button in. Boom. This is in here it is very intense. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's very intense. Okay, so we'll come back tonight and we will shine this outside and we'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll come back and finish it. All right, we are out here in the dark. So I'm going to show you exactly where we are. We're about 35 yards away from this sign. I'm going to go ahead and show you right there, reflection. That is the reflection on the sign. Now, that is on Firefly. Let me go ahead and ramp it on up one and show you what it looks like. That is on low. Pretty good. Sorry about the background noise. We're beside the interstate, but I wanted to show you this road right here. That is low. Really good. Here is medium. Very, very good. High. The swath of light is totally, crazily amazing. Yes, I said crazily amazing. And then you got turbo, which if you can't see on turbo, something is definitely wrong with you. This center beam is so hot, it's unfreaking believable. And it just shines and shines and shines. And you see, I've had it on for a few minutes and it has not dimmed down at all. Now we do have full battery, so it's just amazing. Like I said, I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm sure you can probably hear it, but It's amazing. It has not dropped down. So if you're looking for something in the woods, a person, a deer, whatever, the abominable snowman, you can definitely see. It's very, very, very good. And then we're going to do strobe also right here. There's strobe. That's not as impressive, but if you're on the other end, the receiving end of this, my goodness, guys, it is something. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get back into the classroom, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this part of the video out. So we're back from outdoor testing. What do you think about it? It's pretty amazing, right? This light, I'm telling you, fits in your front pocket so beautifully. If you're looking for that present that you can't find, for that hard-to-find person, nobody can ever say, oh, I really didn't want a flashlight, because everybody needs a flashlight. I carry a flashlight daily because I use it all the time. That and a knife, hands down, are my two most used things in my pocket, other than the pen. But regardless, I will leave links down below for this flashlight, this particular one right here. It's very nice. Also, I will leave all my list, my playlist down below. So if this was not technically your good light that you might say, oh, I really think that's an awesome light. Well, there's other lights. There's some with a DNA collector on it. So if you're looking for some personal protection from flashlight, might be the one you want to check out. And I did a video on that one, and that one will be coming up right here. So you can click on that and you can see what I'm talking about. I'll meet you in that video. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.